Each morning, we rise, set sail, and cast out lifelines. In a relentless world where every drop can mean the difference between life and loss, we are the unseen guardians, the backbone since 1964. Grounded by possibility, advanced technology, a journey that has been one of quiet dedication and meticulous care. Offering some of the first commercially available ready-to-use sterilized containers is backed by over 6 decades of experience. From designing clean rooms to mastering contamination control, which helped a nation reach the moon. Fueled by an unshakable resolve. Even in the deepest night, the explorer is led by the quiet light. Offering companies the quality they trust, availability they count on, and the customer service they expect. In the clarity of our mission and gratitude in our hearts, we forge a continued legacy. Providing vessels of hope to a world in need. On a mission to be the nation's leading supplier of ready-to-use containers and closures, we are Acorn Industries.